Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can navigate through our website and make a pages, be it for a robot, an indicator, or be it for services or for strategies. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to comment on this particular video. So let me quickly show you guys how you can do this. So you're gonna go to your browser. Okay, on your browser you're gonna type in www .dcfx trading.com. This is our website, www.dcfxtrading.com. Then you're gonna click search. So this is the website. You click on this is our website. Then you click on this, so it will take you to this welcome page. So this is our website. So we have these three dots that are there on the chart. You're gonna click on this. You click on this, it will take you to the menu. On the menu we have different pages. So if you're interested in indicators, I'm gonna do an example of an indicator. Then you're gonna click on indicators. Then you click on indicators. So on the indicator section here, there are those small arrows or greater than or smaller than signs. You're gonna click on this. This will help you to navigate if you want navigate. So I'm gonna navigate and show you some of the indicators that are there. So these are some of the indicators. So we have free indicators that are there on the website. We have free indicators that are there on the website. So I did a separate video where I was showing you guys how you can download these free indicators that are there on the website. We have a lot of indicators that are there on the website. So these are some of the indicators that are there on this particular page. We have our spike detectors. They're now there. You can buy them separately or you can buy them as a package. You can see these are separate spike detectors for all the booming crash indices. They're now there. This is the price for the packages. Then we now have an indicator, this EMA stock indicator. So we have one that is there for volatility or for derived synthetic indices, and we have one that is there for gold, forex, and cryptocurrency. So if you are interested in this one, you're just gonna click here where it's written EMA stock, gold, forex, and crypto. You click on it. So it's currently on special. This indicator can be used to scalp forex, gold, and cryptocurrency. So this is the indicator that you've been waiting for. So here, if you go on this particular page, you can read the description that is just below. It explains how the strategy works and basically everything that you need to know about the strategy. Then here you're going to go on add cart. If you click on add cart, it will take you to this particular page. So here it depends with what you want. If you only want one, if you want two, you can click on the minus or the positive and the negative side. Then from there you're going to go on view cart. If you click on view cart, it will take you to the next page. It will take you to the checkout page. On the checkout page there are two options. We have PayPal checkout, which is very easy. With the PayPal, you click on PayPal checkout, you put your PayPal details, then you can simply make the payment. Then automatically you receive a download link where you can download the indicator or the EA that you're interested in. But I'm gonna go where it's written checkout. So that means if you're not going to be using PayPal, you need to click here. We click on checkout, it will take you to the next page. So on the next page here, we have payment, we have customer details. I did put my customer details and I go on here. So in here, you need to listen very carefully. You need to click on offline payments. If you're not going to be using PayPal, for now we only have offline payments and PayPal. So on the offline payments, there's a very important message that you need to follow. Message to our clients. Please note, after making an offline payment, kindly contact us via live chat or WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp number, +27683229304. That's my WhatsApp number. or you can do it through a live chat. I'll show you where the live chat is. Then attach your proof of payment. So after contacting us, you need to attach your proof of payment. State the product or services you have paid for. Provide your email address for confirmation and delivery. So you also need to provide these details. So we have one, the Mukuru payment details. So if you're in Africa, maybe in Southern Africa, mostly in most African countries, also in Europe, in Asia, even in India, also America, Mukuru, you can also make use of what? Mukuru. Even in Europe, you can also make use of Mukuru. So these are our Mukuru details. Then Western Union, everywhere in the world, you can make use of Western Union. So these are the details for Western Union. Then we also have cryptocurrency payment methods. So we have Binance Pay ID. So with Pay ID, you don't need to incur any cost for making a payment. That is if you have Binance. Then you can also make use of the Binance email. It's chokmanyara7@gmail.com. That's our Binance email. Then if you're going to be using USDT, we have USDT, TRC, we have the network. The network is there. The network address is there. You can simply copy it and make your payment. Then we also have Bitcoin, BTC. You have an address for that. Litecoin, we have an address for all these cryptocurrencies. Then, so the major cryptocurrencies, we have a payment. The payment details are also provided. Then if you're in South Africa, a client who is in South Africa, we have these EFT or bank transfer details. So I would prefer if you can use Pay Now or a direct payment, like for example EFT. Okay, so these are the payment details that you need for you to make a payment to us. So once you have made the payment and you have contacted us and you've given us all the details that are necessary, you will receive. You also need to make sure that you give us an email, because you will receive. We'll send you all the products once we have confirmed the payments. All these products, will send it to you through your email. So this is how easy it is to make a payment on our website. Then you see these dots that are there on your right bottom side. If you click on them here, it will take you here where you can have a live chat. So you can have a live chat, and this is where you can notify us. This is where you can notify us of the payment that you have made, the proof of payment, your email, and the product that you want. Basically, this is where you can do it. Or you can get a hold of us through our email address, and then you can simply make the payment. So let's quickly look at the other options. So probably you don't want to make a payment for these indicators. You want other services. Let's just quickly look at this and see how this works. So I'm back on the site. You click on the menu. So probably you want some trading strategies. Currently we only have one. So trading strategies, we have a PDF for EMA stock strategy, the scalping strategy that can be used to trade Forex, gold, cryptocurrency, volatility indices, or derivative synthetic indices. Oh, some might be wondering, why is it you didn't mention booming crash? I'm doing a separate video where I'll show you how you can use the EMA stock scalping strategy to trade booming crash. So most of the derivative synthetic indices, like for example volatility indices, jump, step, drift, shifting indices, can be traded using this particular strategy. So on this particular video, we're going to be giving this strategy PDF for free. If you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, you can get this PDF for free. So just make sure you subscribe, like, you comment, and you also hit the notification bell. Once you're done, use my WhatsApp details that are there in the description and get hold of us, and then you can receive your free EMA stock strategy, the PDF, so that you can use it on your mobile phone. So this strategy is for a mobile phone. So if you want, we're going to be posting more strategies. If you want this indicator, you can simply just click on it here and you take it to the same there's a description, there's also a card. You click on add card. So I want to explain everything. Then you go on view card. Then here it will also have the same option, checkout. So checkout, that's where you have offline payment. Then PayPal, you can just simply click PayPal checkout, and then you insert your PayPal details, login details, then you can make the payment. Once you are done with the payment, you receive the download link, and you can download the file that you want. So we're gonna click on offline payments, and we will click on checkout. Once we click on checkout, it will take us to this page. So we have different, so you make sure you click here where it's written payment. You're gonna click on offline payment. Then from there you get these details for the offline payment. We have Mukuru, Western Union, cryptocurrencies. Then for clients who are in South Africa, you can make use of EFT, bank transfer, if you are in South Africa. Then yeah, basically those are the things that will be required. Then let's just go back. Let's go back. Okay, we're gonna go on trading robots. So if you're interested in the trading robots that we have, you're gonna come here, the same procedure. Click on the menu, it will take you. Okay, we're now on trading robots. Click on trading robots, and then on the trading robots, we have different trading robots that are there. We have different trading robots that are there. We have this booming crash, spike, boom, platinum, spike EA. We have what else? So here you can navigate the same way. Click on the right, it will take you to the next EA. The boom, precision scalp EA is the crash, this one. Then these are free EA, spike EAs for booming crash. You can just click and download these free EAs. A separate video is there if you're interested in downloading these free EAs. Today we are looking at how you can make a purchase. So we have different robots that are there on our platform. You can see most of them are free. We have this Bloom Spike EA. We are still uploading more products. I think by the end of this week we would have uploaded a lot of products. Then if you are done, you're gonna click back. Then for the services, you go on the services, click on the services. You're gonna click on the services, and it will take you to this particular page. So on the services, we have our trading mentorship, and this is the price. You can book it. It's very easy. But here, I think I need to go through this. If you click book, there are specific dates that are there, so you can check the calendar here and check when is the next lesson going to be. When are we going to be doing the next lesson? So you see the dot here. It's indicating when we are going to be having our next lesson. So on the year we have a lesson, and it will tell you again the time when we are going to be starting the lesson. So every detail, all the details that you want will be here, will be there. Okay, let's go on the next asset. Not next asset. So here you can book the date and the time, and then here you need to go on service details. It will give you everything that is there. Okay, we have a mentorship lesson that is starting on the 11th of January 2025, and it will give you the time and the location. Don't worry, it's gonna be an online thing. It's on online, so we'll be making use of Zoom or Teams, Microsoft Teams. Those are the two online platforms that we'll make use of. Then you can select the member that you want for the lesson. So currently I'm the one doing the lesson, so it's only me. Staff member 1, don't worry about that, it's only me. Then the duration, you don't worry about the duration, you can just put 2 hours, but it's fine. Then you can choose your staff member. David Chokmanyara will be the one. Okay, it's fine. Then you click next. So I want to take you through how you can book for a service, maybe mentorship or signal, something like that. Okay, we'll look at signals. I think it's something different. So the details will be here. Then you need to put your phone number. I'm just gonna put mine. Nothing here. Then don't worry about these 30 session package pick. Don't worry about that. Just click here. Here you don't need to select anything. Then you go on buy a plan. Buy a plan. It will take you to the checkout page. Okay, let's see. It will take you to the checkout page. Buy a plan. Then it take you to this page. Once you click, okay, we want to check out buy now. Do you have online payments? Or let's continue. Click on continue. Okay, I clicked on PayPal. I think that's where it is taking me. Buy now. But like what we said, if you want to use offline payment, you can use that. Here you put your payment details here. Okay, it's taking me back. Buy a plan. Okay, let's just wait for it to load. I don't want to use PayPal. Okay, I think for now we're still updating. Updating this site. For now, I think we can only make payment using PayPal when it comes to some of the services that we have. Okay, let's go on the next. What if you want to book for VIP signals? What are you going to do? So you're gonna go on services again. If you want our signals, we provide signals for derived synthetic indices, gold, and also Forex. Those are the signals that we provide. So we are done with mentorship. Coding. If you want coding mentorship, where you want to learn to program, to be a programmer, you want to code your robots, you want to code your own indicators, we have a mentorship that is tailor-made for that. Okay, we went through the mentorship. Okay, for our VIP signal services, check availability. Okay, here on this, you need to go on products. That's where you can book for VIP signals. Then for copy trading, you can also make a payment here following the same procedure. So basically, that's how you can book our services or make purchases on our website. Guys, thank you so much. I just wanted you guys to know that we now have a website where you can also purchase product, where you can also download a lot of free trading robots, free trading indicators. You can also download some free PDFs. We're gonna be uploading a lot of stuff there, so you need to constantly log in and become a member so that you will not miss out on the new things that will be uploading here. So now this is what is now there. We are now uploading most of our things on our website. If you want to download some free stuff, it's also there. You can also do that. Then if you want to purchase anything, you can also visit this website and make a purchase of these different trading tools. We have a lot of trading tools. We have a lot, guys. Just visit our website www.dcfxtrading.com. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this particular video. Thank you. It's a bye bye for now.